Biryani is a popular spiced rice dish that is enjoyed in many parts of the world, particularly in South Asia and the Middle East. Here's a general recipe for making biryani. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 2 onions, chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 pound chicken or lamb, cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons biryani masala powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, half teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter, 1/4 cup cashews, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint leaves. Instructions: 1. Rinse the rice in cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in cold water for 30 minutes, then drain. 2. Heat the oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the onions and sauté until golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Add the chicken or lamb to the pot and cook until brown on all sides. 4. Add the tomatoes, biryani masala powder, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and salt to the pot and stir to combine. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. 5. In a separate pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add the rice and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the rice is partially cooked. Drain the rice. 6. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. 7. Spread half of the rice in an even layer in the bottom of the pot with a chicken or lamb mixture. Sprinkle half of the cashews, raisins, cilantro, and mint over the rice. 8. Repeat with the remaining rice and toppings. 9. Drizzle the ghee over the top of the rice. 10. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the rice is fully cooked. 11. Serve the biryani hot, garnished with additional cilantro and mint leaves, if desired. This is just a basic recipe for biryani.